In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can add songs not from Spotify to your Spotify app on your phone. If this video helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for even more helpful content just like this. To start, open up the Spotify app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then scroll down to the settings and privacy option and open it up. In this section, find the apps and devices section just like so and tap on it and make sure the show local audio files option is actually turned on. It may prompt you with an option to allow this. Go ahead and click on that and you're good to go. Next, what you're going to want to do is make sure the song that you want to add is already downloaded to your phone. After doing so, open up the Files app on your phone just like so. And as you can see, my song is up at the very top. Simply tap and then hold down on the track that you're trying to move into Spotify and tap on the little move icon just like so. Now up at the very top, search for Spotify and then click on that folder. Hit the move icon up at the very top and then head back into Spotify. Go to the Your Library section just like so and then look for the Local Files playlist. Your song should be in here. As you can see, it's at the very bottom in this section. It's going to be ready to play, add to a playlist, or even downloaded for offline listening. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. Have a great day.